Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have OPPO Reno 8 Pro and I want to show you how to manage your Google passwords on this device. To do it, open Google Chrome application, tap on 3 dots on the right corner. Now scroll down and choose settings. In it, password manager and no payment method, password manager, and there you have password which our smartphone remember, in this case to our Facebook account. To manage it, we can click there, and now we must enter our connect pin or look screen, touch ID or look screen to get connect to that. And in it we can copy our email by this first icon and our password, or after we press this icon our smartphone show us password which remember. You can also edit all by tap on edit, and there you can write something new on your username and password segmentation or in your note. But remember, when you change something, press save. By this icon we can share this password to someone, or we can delete all our smartphone remember by delete and confirm by delete. And that's all. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.